How to restore deleted conversation in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to restore a deleted conversation in Messenger, what you should do is first of all, open Messenger app on your device. Then go to menu, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to settings. After you go to settings, you have to scroll to the bottom of the page and go to account center. In account center, go to the option your information and permissions. Then go to the second option, which is download your information. Then go to download or transfer information, which is right over here. Then select the account you want to download the information for. Then you'll be presented with two options that are available information and specific types of information. Go to specific types of information. Now you have to select what information you want to download. I'm going to go to messages, then go to next. After you do that, you will again be presented with two options that are download to device and transfer to destination. Go to the first option, which is download to device. Then go to date range and set it for whatever time you want to. So this means that the information will be downloaded of this time. So I'll go to all time, which means that the information will be downloaded from the time when my account was made. Then go to save and then create files. Now you have to wait for some time. In order for the file to be downloaded. It may take up to 2 to 3 hours or even more. So you have to be patient and wait for the files to be downloaded. So this is how you can restore deleted messages in Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.